Ayan. So, hello, good morning mga ka-asenso. So, hello po. I'm just gonna share today, of my realization on making my very first digital journal. And unfortunately, it's a failure. Ayan. So, bakit nga ba siya failure? Kasi, um, I thought kasi na sa isang Canva file, I can make um, hyperlink daily, hyperlink calendar or gratitude notes, no? So, yeah, ito kasi yung ginagawa ko, a gratitude journal which you can record daily, as in daily, every notes you want to put. So this is an affirmation or a positive daily journal kasi ito. So my plan was to create yun nga daily. So in January, the whole month from January 1 to at the end of the month, ayan, and from January and to December. So imagine nyo na lang if we have an average of 30 days per month, so times 12, that's around 400 plus. 400 plus pages in just one file. But when I was making it, natapos ko na January hanggang March, I was on my way making April, so the month of April, and unfortunately it won't add another page kasi nga daw full na yung storage or something like that. So talagang nag-freeze na yung itong file na to, ayaw na niyang mag-add. So I realized na siguro masyado nang mabigat ng file, and siguro dahil sa mga graphics ko, which is minimal lang naman din. Minimal pa ba to? Minimalist pa ba to? So parang hindi rin naman. Anyway, yun nga. So what I did, my second plan was to create na lang another copy of this. Parang gagawin ko siya in every file. Meron na lang 3 buwan. So ayun, gumawa na ako ng January to March, and then April to June, July to September, and October to December. Ayun. So, yun nga. Ang problema is, paano ko ililink yung, dito pa lang sa January, yung mga other months na wala naman dito sa file na to, sa January to March. So, sa April pa lang. So, what I did was, I tried kung baka naman pwedeng dito sa April, pwede ko siya, kasi nirename ko na lahat ng page nila to. Baka kunwari sa April, yun nga, pwede ko siyang i-link naman din dito, no? Like, what I did here, ayan, nakalink na siya sa another file ko. My only problem is, kapag ginoin ko to sila in one PDF file, baka magkanda loko-loko na, hindi na magtugma yung mga hyperlink. So, that's why I realized na it's a failure. So, parang it's a lesson learned. Kasi I didn't know naman. Sabi ko nga, this is my first time making a digital journal. So, hindi pala siya possible. Although meron kasi ako mga nakita sa ibang sellers na they made actually a 400 plus 400 plus pages of PDF sa isang PDF lang. No, meron pang mga meron pang mga PNG. But so yun nga lang, hindi ko alam kung paano. So if ever you have any idea that you can share, I would gladly listen to it. and ang tawag nito, try natin din yun. But for now, oh my God. So, this is a failure for me for now. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna give up. What I'm planning to do is I'm gonna go and make another digital journal. But this time, it's a simple digital journal muna. Hindi muna ako mag-gratitude. Kasi, I'm not so sure. So, I have this here na, ayun. So, this one. So, I'm planning to create this one. A simpler digital journal muna. So, let's see. And hope this time it will work. Ayan. So, yun lang.